If you want cleaner, more focused audio in Audacity, recording in mono is a great option. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to record in mono in Audacity step by step, so you can set it up correctly before you start recording. This is especially useful for voiceovers, podcasts, narration, and any project where you only need one audio channel instead of stereo. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Audacity and look at the top toolbar. You'll want to find the Audio Setup button. This is where Audacity lets you control your recording and playback settings. Click the Audio Setup button to open the menu. Once the menu appears, move your mouse over Recording Channels. When you hover over it, you'll see the channel options available for your microphone input. From here, select one mono recording channel. Choosing mono means Audacity will record your audio through a single channel instead of splitting it into left and right stereo tracks. That can make your voice recordings easier to work with and more consistent, especially if you're only using one microphone. After you've selected one mono recording channel, you're almost ready to go. Now all you need to do is start the recording itself. Look for the red Record button in Audacity and click it. Audacity will begin recording in mono using the setting you just selected. At this point, you can speak normally into your microphone and monitor your input as needed. If you ever need to verify the setting again, just go back to Audio Setup and confirm that Recording Channels is still set to one mono. And that's it. You now know how to record in mono in Audacity. It only takes a few clicks, but setting it up properly can make a big difference in your audio workflow. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Audacity tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly guides like this one.